Hello, I wondered whether you've noticed there's a little feature in Outlook emails now which actually helps you by reading your email out loud. It's easy to find. Just open up the email that you want to have read out loud to you. I've got one here for you. And here on the message ribbon in the speech group is read aloud. So I'll just push it and let it read to me.
Hi Karen. Please book the following people onto the dates you suggested for their training courses. Anne Murphy, John Reynolds, Jean Marston, Dominic Smith, Elaine Jones, Sue J. Brown. I'm happy for you to do all the administration work involved for us. It will save us lots of time.
And you can see I just switched off with the same button. Brilliant. Love it. Anything like that. I could sit here and do a lot of my work just listening to my emails instead of having to read them. Simple but effective. Hope you find it useful too.